Here we have a 2023 Starcraft EX22R 22-foot pontoon boat. It is wave blue in cover, color gray interior, dual captain's chairs. They are the high back helm chairs. They swivel, recline, move forward and back. Does have an electric bimini top and also comes with a full cover. Rated for 11 passengers or 1,500 pounds. Tilt steering. There is a cell phone holder with a charger by it. Jensen Bluetooth stereo. You do have extra room if you want to add a GPS or something there. Does have a table, teak weave flooring. Also has a pop-up changing room. Storage under the seats. All Rotocast spaces, cup holders. Covers in there. It does have metal hardware. All the speakers are covered in there. Does have a ski tow bar. Mercury 115 horsepower with command thrust. Also has a nice wide 4-step ladder. Does have an extended deck that goes past where the tunes end. Come check this one out at SkipperBud's.